May I know your name and where you stay in Bangalore, ma'am?
My name is Meera and I stay in Madheshwar.
How old is your child?
My child now is 5 years.
What were you looking for your child?
Basically, my criteria for a play school was it should the proximity of it, and also the surroundings and the way they are taught, and the independence that was given to the child, so that he can explore where he can, like whatever he wants to do. At the same time, the best part is what I really wanted for my child is that he should be happy and most importantly, he's taken care of, because he's going to be away from me for next 3 or 4 hours every day, which is like quite taxing for both of us.
Yeah. Which other play schools did you consider?
I think Kidsy and
Jumbo Kids.
Jumbo Kids, a couple of other those play schools, but the reason why we selected this one was because you get a lot of the kids get a lot of personalized attention here.
Okay.
There is no reason for us to worry about safety of the kids, because the surroundings are pretty safe. Even the play items which are in the compound are pretty safe, and it's well shielded from the outside as well. So there is not too much dust, there is not too much of sound or pollution or noise from outside, there is not too much of traffic. So kids have their own time to explore and play at their own comfort and convenience. There is nothing that is distracting them. And in terms of personal attention, they are given a lot of attention in terms of improving their self-esteem, I would say. There is not undue amount of focus or unnecessary focus or stress on academics, but more on trying to build yourself as an individual, which is most important in your growing age at 2 years or 3 years. That's what builds the foundation there. So it was surprising for us that my son could recite so many shlokas a couple of weeks after he joined the school, and he took a keen interest in drawing and writing. He was just a little over 2 years old then, which is excellent, because we rarely find schools today which will give you that amount of attention, which will build you as an individual rather than teach you how to read, write, and become an engineer or doctor or a lawyer. So it's what you do and be happy than what you want to prove to society and say, I am known by this profession. So,
yeah. Which one did you finally choose and why?
We chose Nisarga, and the reasons obviously I've already stated.
The best part is his intrapersonal skill was very good. He learned to interact with the children of his own age, and he could work out the differences between the child's personality. It was good.
And he liked, he didn't want to come back home after school. That was one of the good things. He enjoyed his 3 hours of playtime here in the play school, and loved mingling with the kids, so learned to interact a lot. Today's nuclear families, people are staying in apartments, there's hardly any kids around in the apartments, everybody is in their own world. It's gone are those days when you could play in the streets and get to know everybody in your neighborhood. That doesn't happen today, but luckily for him, he was able to mingle with all the other kids in the school and build a lot of good friends. And a couple of kids in his class who are with him in this play school today I still keep in touch. They keep in touch mutually and good friends today. So I would highly recommend this play school. It's an excellent all-round development of the child.
How has your experience been with Nisarga Happy Kids?
Excellent. I think on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being best, I would say 5.
Okay. Based on your experience, tell me 2 best things about Nisarga Happy Kids.
It's the attention. The teachers are not doing something which is just because of their job here, but they take a lot of interest and they like what they do. And you can see the passion that actually adds the value to the child. So that's one of the best things here. And second, the all-round development of the child, not just in academics, because when we put my son here, when we put our son in the school, he learned to read, write, draw. He was pretty advanced for his age. At the age of 2, he could write his ABCDs and his numbers. He could count 1 to 50, which is pretty surprising for kids today. They learn a lot. They're eager to learn. Plus at the same time, shlokas, the extracurricular activities, the play. So it's an all-round development of the child's intellect as well. So not just with stringent focus on academics, but the all-round development. So these are the major 2 factors why we consider Nisarga.
And one other thing is the student-teacher ratio, which is very good. So I knew that my child will get personal attention, individual attention that he requires.
Yeah, ma'am. On a scale of 1 to 5, I would like you to recommend Nisarga Happy Kids Millicent to other parents.
5.
5, with 5 being the best.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.